So I found the World of Disney, but I can't find Mickey and Minnie anywhere. So, you see them anywhere? Well, I guess I'll keep looking. Maybe we'll check out the World of Disney, huh? Let's do that.
Who else is going?
Let's go into World of Disney, Mom.
I know. Crispy square.
Oh, yum! A Grogu Rice Krispy Square. Can you tell me the time of year that we're actually here? If you guess Christmas, you're wrong. Really?